Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Dear students, let's continue the chapter triangles. You all know that in yesterday's class, we were focusing on proving different similarity criterion. We have three similarity criterion. One is A similarity criterion. According to this, in any two triangles, if the corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Hence, we got two triangles as similar. Similarly, in yes similarity criterion, in two triangles, the corresponding.
Sir, unmute your audio. Sir, unmute your audio.
In two triangles, if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then the corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the two triangles are similar. And yesterday, we were proving this, right? And what is the third similarity criterion? Yes. Let us discuss that later. Now let's focus on proving yes similarity criterion. You had written up to construction, is it not? Even you had also written, I think, 2 to 3 steps. You have written up to 2 to 3 steps in proof. And just to check that whether you had written this, you all know that in the triangle ABC and PQR, in triangles ABC and PQR, in these two triangles, they have given the corresponding sides are in the same ratio as AB by PQ, which is equal to BC by QR is equal to third side. It is AC by PR. These are this is from data. Then after that, we took substitution, right? Because we all know that here PQ and AM are equal. PR equal to AN, and therefore I'm going to substitute the same. AB by PQ. What is PQ? AM. Then BC by QR, let us write this as it is, or else even if you leave also no problem at all. Let it be as it is. AC by PR. What is PR? AN. On what basis you have written this? From construction. Observe here AB by AM. AB by AM, then AC by AN. It is one of the result of BPT. But if you want to use the result of BPT, there must be a line parallel to a side. As this result holds good, hence, according to the converse of BPT, converse of result of BPT, we can write MN parallel to BC. Here we write MN parallel to BC. This is from the result of converse of BPT. And even we will also call it as converse of corollary of BPT. As MN parallel to BC, we can go for using three different results. They are AM by MB is equal to AM by NC. It is one thing. Next, we can write it is AM by AB equal to AN by AC equal to MN by BC, result of BPT. Following, not only that, even MB by AB, NC by AC. Come friend, come here. But we are going to prove that MN is equal to QR, right? MN equal to QR on the way. So that is why I am going to use this result. AM by AB equal to AN by AC equal to MN by BC. Even if you take the reciprocals of all the three, there will be no difference at all, right? And yourself also. Move towards your. Observe. Here I'll write in triangle ABC, just we have come to know MN parallel to BC. Therefore, we can write AM by AB. We write it in as reciprocal. That is AB by AM, which is equal to AC by AM. AC by AM. It is equal to BC by MN. It is equal to BC by MN. Reason?
Proved statement.
Result of BPT. In school, if it is taught, right? If it is given as corollary, you can also write as corollary. Corollary of BPT. Observe here. Here, I'll take the statement as 1 and this statement as 2. In both the statements, you can observe we have AB by AM. We want MN is equal to QR. Alva, adu bekagirodu. Observe, here we have BC by QR and here BC by MN. QR matte MN illide. Alva. So these are the two ratios equal to the same ratio, hence equal to one another. According to what? Euclid's axiom. I'll write that. It is BC by QR is equal to BC by MN. Now let me write this as from Euclid's axiom. Now, you get BC and BC get cancelled. QR equal to M. We have achieved. Right? Now we can go for congruency concept. So please write up here. I'll wrap that up. Yesterday you had written up to here, no? I'm copying from this page. In triangle ABC, MN parallel to BC, it is from crude statement. Then so you can go for using the result of BPT. AB by AM equal to AC by AN, which is equal to BC by MN. And let's use the statements 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and Euclid's axiom. You can write BC by QR equal to BC by MN. Cancel BC and BC. You'll get QR equal to MN. Over. Let me continue from here.
1 second.
1 second over. Shall I continue here? Right. Now we have to take two triangles, which are AMN and PQ. This type, please go on write. Right. In triangle AMN, and triangle PQR. Still that AM equal to PQ from construction. Then AN equal to PR, reason, construction. Next, MN equal to QR, proved statement. Which congruency rule? Yes. Corresponding sides are equal. So hereby, yes, congruency or congruence rule. We can write triangle AMN is congruent to triangle PQR. Over. Now you may stop right. We all know that they have given the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then we have to prove corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the then the triangles are similar. As these two triangles are congruent, can I write angle A equal to angle B? Reason CPC. Then this is these two. Yes. What about this? These two. They are also equal from CPCT. But we want angle B equal to angle B. Very good. AMN equal to angle B because corresponding angles. We know that we have already proved MN parallel to BC. Hence this angle equal to this angle. This angle is also equal to angle Q. Hence angle B equal to angle Q. Reason Euclid's algorithm. Then axiom. This angle equal to this angle is also equal to angle C. Hence, angle CR, C is equal to angle R. All the corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the two triangles are similar. Right. Here on line. Angle A equal to angle P. Reason CPCT. Next, angle AMN is equal to angle Q. Reason CPCT. Angle AMN is nothing but angle B. AMN is equal to angle B. Reason corresponding angles. Okay, from these two, how do you write? Angle B equal to Q or Q equal to B. Angle B equal to angle Q. I take this as statement beta on the tamra. Alpha. Let's do one thing. This is alpha. And let us call this as beta. And this is gamma. Polynomials already used alpha, beta, gamma, theta, zeta, iota, epsilon can exist. Phi, tau, inferior one. You all remember? Very good. Next. All right. Angle ANM. Angle ANM is equal to angle R. Reason CPCT. We all know that angle ANM is equal to angle C. Vijay Lakshmi, can you see from there? Reason. Corresponding angles. Then from these two, how do you write? Angle C equal to angle R. Reason. Euclid's axiom. This is direct as delta. Enough. From beta, gamma, delta, what do you say? Beta, gamma, delta. Corresponding angles are equal. But what was given? Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So both the conditions hold good. Right? Hence, the two triangles are similar. So here I'll write from alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. From alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, you can write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now we are moving to next similarity, which is that? Essay. First explain what. Just a statement. Look at the board. Stop your writing. Here. Two triangles are taken. In this, I'll take an angle of one triangle. First triangle ABC. That is equal to an angle of another triangle PQR. Here A equal to P. What are the sides including angle A? AB and AC. Side including angle P? PQ and PR. If these sides are in the same ratio, then the two triangles will be similar. Once I tell the statement. In two triangles, if an angle of one triangle is equal to an angle of another triangle, and the sides including these angles are in the same ratio, then the two triangles are similar. Let's go for writing the statement. Theorem number 6.5. Right. SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Write the statement. Right. Prove that put comma in two triangles today. If continue an angle of one triangle and one triangle is equal to an angle of another triangle. An angle of another triangle. And the sides including these angles. The sides including these angles. These angles are in the same ratio. Come on. Then the two triangles are similar. Then the two triangles are similar. First step. Yes. Drawing the appropriate geometrical figure. Which geometrical figure?
Triangle.
Triangle or triangles? Triangles. How many? Two. How should they be? Huh? ಮತ್ತೆ prove ಮಾಡು. They must have same shape but different in size. Draw two such triangles quickly. Rocky boy. Mohammed Rakib, are you drawing? Huh? So I can't. Have you drawn? Name the triangle. First one is ABC. Second one PQR. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ angle ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. I'll go for taking the vertex angle only. This is angle A. This is equal to angle P. Then AB by PQ equal to AC by P. ನಮಗೆ in figure we have to show we have taken corresponding sides. But directly we should write in data. Should say, sir, we want. You are very familiar with the corresponding symbol. Alva? We go for using arrow mark. Arrow mark will be shown on either side. Adine mention maadu. Just only for reference. Only for reference. Yeah. AB, its corresponding side is P. Next. AC, its corresponding side is PR. Is it okay? Only for our reference. Andre ee corresponding sides ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes, right data. In the data. In triangle ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Angle A equal to angle P. What can put it? AB by PQ is equal to AC by
PR.
Have they given any other? No, only this much. What is the next step? To prove, please write with me what you are going to prove. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. How to prove? Construction. What is that construction? Yes. Let us mark the point XR. Sorry, M on AB, N on AC, such that AM equal to PQ, AN equal to PR, and join. Same for all the three. Construction is same. Here as mark. This is M, and take this point as N. Right. Mark M on AB, N on AC, such that AM equal to PQ and AN equal to PR. Then join M. Over. Next step. It is prove prove. Oh, okay. Observe here, AM equal to PQ. Reason. A equal to PR. Angle A equal to angle P. Which congruency? Yes, yes. See, in all the three similarity, we will focus on proving the triangles as congruent. Illi kuda adne follow up. Let's go for proving. Right. Put imply symbol in triangle AMN and triangle PQR. AM is equal to PQ. Reason from construction. Next. Angle A equal to angle P. This is from data. Next. AN is equal to PR. Again from construction. Which congruency? Corresponding sides, corresponding angles, corresponding sides. Means we have to use yes, A, yes. Congruency. From SAS congruency, we can write triangle AMN is congruent to the triangle PQR. After that, observe. What do you say about these two angles? Equal. These two equal. But we want the relationship for these. Here, either you have to prove the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or corresponding angles are equal. That means angle A equal to angle P, already given. Next we have to show angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Okay, time waste madana. Let's use the data. You already one use angle A equal to angle P to prove the two triangles as congruent. Next we have the possibility the two ratios. Please don't write, observe them. Here AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. AB by PQ andre AM, AC by PR AS, AB by AM equal to AC by AM. Result of BPT. If you go for taking the converse of result of BPT, ML parallel to BC. If ML parallel to BC, this angle equal to this angle is also equal to angle Q. Hence, angle B equal to angle Q. Angle ANM is equal to angle C, corresponding angles. ANM is also equal to angle R. This is from CPCT. Hence, angle C equal to angle R. See here, in these two triangles, A equal to P, B equal to Q, C equal to R. If the corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. According to AAA similarity, you know, SAS na prove ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ AAA similarity na use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Understood? Yes. Go for writing the same. Right. In triangle ABC, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. This is from data. Then write AB by AM, it is equal to AC by PR. This is from construction. Next, we can write MN parallel to BC. Reason is converse of result of BPT. Converse of result of BPT is nothing but corollary. Converse of corollary of BPT. Then, let's tell that. Angle AMN is equal to angle B. B thought. Angle AMN equal to angle B. Reason? Corresponding angles. AMN is also equal to angle Q. AMN is equal to Q. Reason? It is from CPC. You got to use what? What do you say? Angle B equal to angle Q. Similar. Angle ANM. ANM is equal to angle C. Reason? Corresponding angles. Angle ANM is also equal to angle R. Reason? CPC. Yes, angle C equal to angle R. Over. Observe. We know that in both the triangles, angle A equal to P, I call it as alpha. Angle B equal to Q, I call it as beta. Angle C equal to R, let us call it as gamma. From alpha, beta and gamma, what do you say? Corresponding angles are equal. So we know that in two triangles, if the corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Hence, the two triangles are similar. Therefore, we can write it directly. From alpha, beta and gamma, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, right. From alpha, beta, and gamma triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ. Now, we should focus on problem solve all the three similarity criteria: AA, SSS, and SAS. Right? Side heading. What examples? Listen. Just one important information regarding these similarity criteria. When you go for practicing, proving all the three similarity criterion, you must practice all of them together, one after the other. Then you find it easy to remember. And today one, tomorrow one, day after tomorrow one, or first week one criterion, second week, you feel very discomfort to remember all the steps. Whenever you go for learning these three similarity criterion, practice them together. Once you have to finish all of these. And another very important information is, many students will tell that, sir, every day I am learning the concepts, but by the time I go to the examination or enter into the examination hall, everything get evaporated. Adun evaporate agak bidabardu. Yen madbeku? You should condensate. Adun condensate madbeku. Henge? Very simple thing. Very simple thing. For everything, practicing, remembering, these two are important. But how to practice and how to remember? This is the question. Suppose a teacher has started one chapter. In the first period, they'll cover two concepts. You have to practice these two concepts on the same day itself. Next, in the next day, they'll cover two more concepts. And it is very important thing that before going to learn these concepts, before going to practice these two concepts, then just you have to glance the first two concepts. Glancing andre gottaguttalla, matte bariyodu one kadeyinda no hang barita kootre matte time double aagta hogutte. Got it? Adike neevu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, okay, first two concepts what we have learned, just you have to glance them. A words ಎಲ್ಲ mind store ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಂಗೆ, because as you will be observing. Next you go for practicing the two concepts. Okay, similarly when you are going for third day two concepts are taught, and before practicing these two concepts, here first and second days should be glanced. You know, ಅವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. Even if you try to forget also you cannot. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಮರಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. It will be stored. ಅವಾಗ what you say, GB, KB, MB ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it will control you. You are not going to control. When you hold the mobile once, will you control the mobile or mobile will control? Mobile will control. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ You 1 minute ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. It goes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ mobile is controlling you. It has captured your mind. But ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ KB, MB, GB, TB ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೆರಾಬೈಟ್ಸ್. TB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆರಾಬೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? GB
Gigabyte.
ಮೆಗಾಬೈಟ್. KB ಕಿಲೋ. FB ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ media has controlled you. Nobody has told femto. In prefix ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಂಟಿ, ಮಿಲಿ, ಮೈಕ್ರೋ, ಮೆಗಾ, ಗಿಗಾ, ಟೆರಾ, ಫೆಮ್ಟೋ, ಪಿಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ. 9th ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This proof fact also, please do follow the same. You 1 week correct practice ಮಾಡಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ. If result comes, follow. And if result does not come, and you just think Raju sir has given false information. So practically it is proved also. Let's move on to what this has. Note number first one. Information. It was asked in the examination for 2 marks. You are going to draw a geometrical figure. Please stop your discussion. I really appreciate the friendship. Because we find different, peculiar and varieties of friends. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ. There are some friends when we find it on the way, just we go for hi bye. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. For some we just go for giving the smile. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. Third one, you just stop them and you'll speak over them. Fourth one, some friends will come to your house and they'll speak only outside the house. Some friends, they'll come inside the house and they'll discuss without giving trouble to the family members. They are real friends. ಈ ಮನೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, you will go for studying together and you will go for discussing. ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್. ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are truly speaking correctly. And these are just classroom friends. My friend has joined to Pi tuition. I should also go there. That's you are intention it's of no use at all. Draw this figure, and here we have 2 lines. One is PQ. PQRS ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ABCD ಅಂತ ಬರೆದೆ. Okay, no problem at all. Such that ಏನಿದೆ AB
Parallel to CD.
parallel to DC. Both, and here the ends of these lines are joined alternatively. That is, the top of the line AB is joined to the bottom of the line DC. Ange join ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. And here you are going to prove that in figure that prove that have you written? Now you tell. How many triangles are formed? Two triangles. Name them.
AB mod DC mod.
ODC.
AOB. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. AOB and somebody said DOC and AOB COD. Which of these is correct? Second one. Now we have to prove these two triangles are similar. Why we have to take like this only?
They are in alphabetical order.
Know that they are in alphabet order. Wait. That's why I have written both. If you are going to prove these two triangles are similar, their corresponding vertices should be same. Corresponding angles should be same. You know, angle A and angle C. Then angle B, angle D. Then angle AOB and COD. These are the corresponding angles. How do you say that angle A and angle C are corresponding angles? Oh, okay. AB is parallel to DC. Then very good. AC is a transversal. Then angle A equal to angle C. Why?
Alternative interior angle.
These two are equal. Similarly, angle B equal to angle D. These two are equal. Reason is same. Alternate interior angles. AOB and COD. Vertically opposite angles. Which congruency can be used for
Yeah.
A congruency? Or just AA, sorry, not congruency, similarity. AA similarity. Right now, prove that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. I've taken first one, very simple. Directly we shall move on to prove. Tell that in triangle
Triangle AOB and
AOB
OD.
and triangle COD. Let's go for proving. I think I need to write by drawing the margin. Just I noticed one or two students, they are writing ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ. They are writing proof in triangle AOB and triangle COD. They are maintaining the paragraph. Usually language ಅಲ್ಲಿ when you are writing the answer, leave 2 finger gap. ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. We go for following the steps. ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರೆ that's not fine. Anmesh, ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೀ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್. ರೈಟ್. Angle A equal to angle C. It is alternate interior angles. ನೀವು AIA ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಬ್ರಿವೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ನಾವು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Alternate interior angles ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. No abbreviated form. Next, angle B is equal to angle D. Reason, write in short form. Alternate interior angles. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Reason, yes, vertically opposite angles. Now ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ habit ನ VOA. That has not been accepted. It should be written in full only. Vertically opposite angles. Now here I'll write by AAA or just AA. AA similarity triangle. AOB is similar to triangle C. Hence it is proved. Now I'm going to take another statement which is very important in the examination point of view. Either they may give it for 2 marks, even it can also be given in MCQ, multiple choice questions. Second one, please put 3 star marks. It is one of the most repeated statement which was given in the examination. Second one. Right. A girl height 90 centimeters. A girl of height 90 centimeters. He is walking away from the base of a lamppost. He is walking away from the base of lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. 1.2 meter per second. Full stop. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, comma, find the length of the shadow of the girl after 4 seconds. Right, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Right, after 4 seconds. Okay. Listen to me. This statement is called interdisciplinary question. Got it? That's right. Yeah, interdisciplinary. ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ interdisciplinary ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ it's okay. If not, you should ask me, sir, I do not know about interdisciplinary. Please explain that. Interdisciplinary means while framing the question, we will go for taking two different concepts. They are to be clubbed and will be made as one question. It means those two concepts can be taken from the same subject, all different subjects. Followed. Illi ee statement alli naave en madidhive andre one triangle concept has been taken from triangle. One triangle concept has been taken from mathematics. I mean, speed anta ide alva. The concept of speed has been taken from physics, and even light concept is also there, because here shadow is formed. We all know that in which direction the shadow is formed. In the direction of light. Light ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ direction ಅಲ್ಲೇ shadow ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Hope that you might have observed. We won't go outside only. Then how it is possible? Alva. In which direction the sun rises? Are you sure? Where it is here? I'll give you the option. Or curtain. It's 2 windows. Here 3 windows. Illi. 3 windows. Illi. Curtain. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are very fortunate. Two suns are rising. East direction. Hangagi the light sun rises that side, that is curtain side. Allinda light ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. If I stand here, where my shadow is formed? On the board side, right? Board side alli shadow form agutte. What it? Shadow is formed is always in the direction opposite to the direction along the direction of the light. Now direction you light to follow the other direction ge shadow form agutte. And speed concept. Speed, what it is? How do you define? Distance traveled by a body in unit time can also be defined as rate of distance or rate of displacement, and formula is V is equal to d by. Then what is its SI unit? Meter per second. Adune kottira. Now I'm going to give you a simple assignment. Now you have to draw a relevant geometrical figure with respect to this. I'll give you just 10 seconds. Sorry, 20 seconds. Take a quicker drawing. Take 5 seconds you can go back and use 15 seconds for drawing a curve of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp post. We draw the lamp post and observe the light from where it falls, the same direction. You can also draw a girl. It is not drawing competition, it is mathematical geometrical figure concept competition. Over. Very good. Neha AP, finished. Have you drawn? Siddharth? Varnita? Purti? Firdos? Nishka? Please look at the board. Look at the board. A girl of height 90 centimeter. Okay, some of you are trying best in draw method. And even some of you are also drawing like this. And some of you may ಈ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Look here. First, I draw a line. What does it represent? Ground. That's the ground. Observe. A girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the lamp post. Base of lamp post. There are two items. What are those? One is lamp post and girl's height. That is girl. Here, I draw a line which represents the lamp post. What is its height? 3.6 meter. And lamp is at a height of ಇಲ್ಲಿ lamp ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ lamp post. Yes or no? It is. The light is here and we know that light is falling in this direction. And this is the base of lamp post. B is the base of the lamp post. From here, she start walking with a speed of 1.2 meter per second. Astu speed alli move agtade 1.2 meter per second. How long she will move? For 4 seconds. 4 seconds move agtade. After 4 seconds, she will stand here. And here I am drawing the line which represents girl's height. How much? 90 centimeter. Whether a shadow is formed on the right side or left side?
On the right side.
Because it is formed in the direction of light. This is the light. She will fall on her and her shadow is formed. Here, this is the length of the shadow. I call it as E. You are going to find out the length of the shadow. That is D. I call it as X centimeter. Now you tell, how do you go for finding this? Don't know. I'll give you the idea. Are we standing perpendicular to the ground or parallel to the ground? Now, perpendicular. Parallel andre? Yeah. When you sleep, when you be sleeping, you'll be parallel to the ground. When we stand or sit, perpendicular to the ground. Here, lamp post, perpendicular to the ground. Girl,
Perpendicular.
it is understood. She is not sleeping. Alva. So, her walking is perpendicular to the ground. 90. It is 90 and this is also 90 degree. What do you say about A, B and C?
Equal.
Huh? Right angle ಸರಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು it is 90 degree, it is 90 degree. What do you say?
Equal.
How do you relate AB and CD? Parallel. Because these two are corresponding angles. Hence, the lines will be parallel. ಈಗ AB parallel to CD. Now, we have two triangles, right? What are those? ABE and CD. E. Two triangles are there. In this, angle B equal to angle CD. What do you say about angle E? Common angle. Angle E is an angle of AB, is also an angle of CD. In these two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Then what do you say about those two triangles? Similar. Name those two similar triangles. ABE is similar to
CDE.
CDE. We know that when two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles will be equal and the corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. I'll write the corresponding sides. Here it is. AB by CD, BE by D,
D.
then AE by C.
C.
We want DE. Alva? Where is the D? Is here. And what has been given? AB is known, CD is known. Hence, we shall go for using these two ratios to find out the length of the shadow of the girl. Got it? What is AB? 3.6 meter. What about CD?
0.9 meter.
No. 90 centimeter of rain baritre.
0.9 meter.
90 by
0.9 meter.
9 meter.
9 meter, which is equal to BE. What is BE? Don't you BE now? B. Very good, very good. BE ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you must know BD as well as DE. I mean DE ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. How much it is? Yes. But what about BD? How? It is BD is nothing but distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Earlier we had written V equal to D by T. D is equal to V into T. What is the speed? 1.2 meter per second. Time 4 seconds. 1.2 into 4. 4.8 meter.
4.8.
4.8 meter divided by D. It is X. Now cross. Oh, sorry. In the direct cancel model. After decimal 1 digit, 1 digit. It can be written as 36 by 9. 1s are 4s are 4 into X. 4x. 4x equal to 4.8 plus X. Transfer X to the left hand side. Minus X. 4x minus X. 3x. 3x equal to 4.8. X equal to
1.6.
1.6.
1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. That is the length of the shadow of the girl. Doubt is enough. It's very important. You one mark kottaga ella steps nu barita kodtira data and all. No. How do you write it directly? Very simple. You know, one MCQ ge kottaga for your reference you will draw the geometrical figure. After that you write 3.6, then CD 0.9. It's equal to BE. Here in numbers change agodu. 1.2 ಇದೆ speed and time. 1.24 is 4.8. This length is X. Then DA. It is X. Istu barbiಟ್ಟು immediately you can go for calculation. Illi ashte 1s are 4s are 4x, 3x, 3x equal to 4.8, x equal to 4.8 by 3. It is 1.6. Like this, you can go for mind calculation. Okay, draw the figure and give you all this. In MCQ, you can go for that shortcut method, but descriptive, we expect all the steps. Now, descriptive formula, right? Shall we write? Right. Height of lamp post. Height of lamp post, it is AB equal to 3 meters. Please go on writing with me. Don't be lagging. Height of the girl. Height of girl. How much? It is 90 centimeters. It can be written as 0.9 meter. 3.6 feet. Then speed of walking or rate of walking. I'll write it. V is equal to 1.2 meter per second. Rate of walking or speed of walking. Then time for which she walked, it is 4 seconds. And we are going to find out the length of the shadow. Length of the shadow. Shadow, and call it as x meter, which is question mark. In descriptive forms, you need to prove both the triangles are similar. Then only you can go for using that statement. Right. Calculation. In that, first, I'll take the triangle ABE and triangle CDE. In these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle CDE. Reason, each 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. Next day, angle E equal to angle E. Reason, common angle. Next, will you go for taking these two angles? You may take, but even it is not necessary also. Because we already got it. In two triangles, if two corresponding angles are equal, the remaining pair of corresponding angles will also be same. And again, A, similarity is also known as just A similarity. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Reason, AA similarity. AA similarity. As these two triangles are similar, let us write their corresponding sides in the same ratio. Yes, here AB by its corresponding side CD. Then BE by D. B by D. If there are confusion, I can directly AB by CD, B by D, AE by C. Whichever is required, you can follow that. Okay. Reason. CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. CSST. AB length ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, but BD. That is B ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ BD ನ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. We know that V is equal to D by T and D is equal to V into T. The distance walked by girl. It is BD. BD is equal to, what is VT? V is 1.2 meter per second and time is 4 seconds. This is equal to 4.8 meter. BD is equal to 4.8 meter. Please highlight that with box. Now actually this should be written. Already substitute one. Put reply symbol. What is AB? 3.6 meter. CD it is 0.9. BE 4.8 plus X. 4.8 plus X. D, length of the shadow of the gun, that is X. 1s are 4s are. So 4X equal to 4.8 plus X. Then 3X equal to 4.8. X equal to 1.6 meter. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the length of shadow of the girl. Therefore, the length of shadow of the girl is 1.6 meter. Overall, have you put 3-star mark for this? This is very important. One more statement is there with respect to this. Right. Let me dictate this. Ishka, shall I dictate or should write it on the board?
Dictates.
Okay, right. A vertical pole of length 6 meter. A vertical pole of length 6 meter. Cast, CASTS, cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. 4 meter long on the ground. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. And at the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. 28 meter long. Full stop. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Did you understand? Here, two situations are given. One is with respect to pole Please observe the board. And second one, with respect to tower. What is the height of the pole? 6 meter. What is the length of the shadow?
28 meters.
4 meter. It is standing vertically. That means it is standing on the ground perpendicular to its surface, right? Observe, please observe. Observe the board. Next, there is a tower. What is its height? It is unknown. We know that tower is much taller than pole. And what is the length of the shadow of the tower? 28 meter.
28 meters.
Now, this is height of the tower should be found out. I call it as X. Even it is also standing perpendicular to the ground. Are these two similar? Similar at least two corresponding angles should be equal. Okay. Now you can. Angle B equal to angle Q. Then just tell. The angle at which we see the object when it is above our horizontal view. If I want to see the fact, I should raise my head. So then what do you call that angle? Angle of elevation. If I want to look down, then I should again bend down my head. So viewing is down. It is called
retardation.
Depression. Deviation Allah. Deviation. Angle of depression. This is elevation. This is depression. Now you are all observing me. Elevation or depression? Angle of elevation. At the same time, at one particular time, if it is in the afternoon at 1 o'clock, both should be seen at 1 o'clock only. And the angle of elevation, it will be same. Got it? Now, angle C equal to angle R. Which similarity rule? AA similarity. According to AA similarity, we can say both the triangles are similar. When the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Then corresponding sides, it is 6 by x. It is equal to 4 by 28. It's equal to 40. Height of the tower is 42 meters. How much marks? 1 mark.
1 mark.
It's too very mark. The mind calculation will be enough. You just try to solve this yourself. And one more information. Today it is Thursday. We have to conduct Google Form test, performance test. Tomorrow I am going to conduct, not in the classroom, at your respective homes. Okay. And evening 5 to 5:40. Our time. In the evening, I will be having the class from 6 to 7:30. That is why. Tomorrow, let me continue the same chapter. Prashant sir.